Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, February the 17th, 2021. We have here in this additional a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. We have a tectonic with 1 star now. Wow. Normally this tectonic has 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars. Binary puzzle number 1. Binary puzzle number 2. Alright. But first we will solve the Sudoku with 3 stars. And why not the 1 star? Because I won't do them all. Yes, 8 Sudokus is too much. Time consuming, so I've decided in the past to do 4 of them, half of them, yes, 4 of them, and I will do first the 3-star Sudoku, then the 4-star Sudoku, 1 tectonic and 1 binary I will do. This one will be number 2342. Yes, 2342. And the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. Let me check if this is correct. Alright. Let me see. Oh, this is what is a 2-star. This is a 3 stars. Oh, all right. Yes, almost made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Plus 3 is 20. 23 plus 2 is 25. Correct. 25 printed digits. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Okay, in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. Okay, so we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a... Oh, no, I cannot. Need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? 2 is missing. 3, 4 is missing. 4 and the 7 is missing. Yeah, 7 is missing in this column. We see here 707 there, here 707 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, this box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 1. So the 3 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So on the third column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Now 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So on the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 5 and 6 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 5. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. And 4, 5, and 8. Okay. Yeah. How about 3, 4. We have 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. So, okay. One, two, three, four. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. So this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 6. Alright, alright. Alright. And now, let me think. Six. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this middle row for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 there. So the 3 should be in one of these two boxes. It's a pair, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 8 is missing there. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Alright. Alright. 6, 3. Interesting. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then yeah. 2, 3, 4, and 8. 2 numbers left. 3 and a 4 in this column. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. Let me mark those. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. So we have 2 numbers left now in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, so we have a 9 in this column. 9 in the second column. So the first column. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this can't be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be the 8. Finish in 60 minutes. Exactly. Yes. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.